Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about special variables in Python. So which are underscore underscore name underscore underscore and underscore underscore main underscore underscore. We'll discuss the purpose and why we need it in this video. So let's get started. Uh, underscore 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 name is the special variable which is initialized by Python at the start of any program. So let's start print underscore underscore name and see the value for that. So as the value of underscore underscore name underscore underscore is the main. So now as we have learned in the programming language, main is the function that got called initially. So that's why this function underscore underscore name has the name called main. Let's because this concept is used in modular programming. So we have two files, file 1 and file 2, and I'm just writing a line saying this is coming from file 1 and we'll print it, but we will print it by importing the file 1 into file 2. So let's see the output here. Let me clear it out so you will see the output on the top. Oh, when we print underscore underscore name, the output was main, but when we print the same thing from file 2, the output change underscore underscore name to file 1. So that means if we call the function underscore underscore name from the original file, it will display the value of name is main. But if we call the similar function by importing from another file, it will replace the underscore underscore name to file 1. So now the question arises why we need it. The reason we need it is the reason why we need it is sometime we want to run a code or we want to find out if we are working in a similar module or the function is coming from another module. So, so in order to find that, I will put the similar one def. I create a function and want to check if we are working in same module or not. So I just created a function. I want to check if underscore underscore name, sorry, if underscore underscore name equals to sorry again, equals to, it is really confusing, underscore underscore to main, then only it will call the function called check, else it will simply print you are you are importing this from another module. So let's check. If we print it from file 1 from its original source, it gave us output printing this is coming from file 1 and the name is main. But if we do the similar thing from file 2, so it gave us output you are importing this from another module. So this was a simple example. Now you can add lot of other stuff in this condition if you want to check if you are importing from another module or if you are working in the same module. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you hope you understand this topic. If not, please feel free to let me know. I will be happy to elaborate this topic more. Thank you.